Look, Chainsaw Melon have a backstory. Do I have one? Yeah! I'm upgraded. Wow, thank you! Did I have a backstory? Yes, you have! Tell it! Okay, once upon a time, after I got out of MPGM as Mr. Water, then I found a nano assembler. And then scientist Melon is actually going to grab him into the nano assembler. Please. No, please. Then I got trapped. Until I became Chainsaw Melon. Yeah. What have you done? Wait, am I powered? Wait, I'm a Chainsaw Melon. I can kill him. I'm now Chainsaw Melon. I can now kill Scientist Melon. Yeah. Haha. Haha. And that's how my backstory does. Oh. Okay.